How are you? All excited? All ready to do something new?
Yes.
Sure. So let's begin. We'll paint the whole background blue. Okay, you can take the shades of blue. Chalo, quickly. Maintain the direction. You can add a little white. Blend it. Yes, very good. Blend it on the top also. Very good. Now go down and go a little faster. Now we'll draw a straight line. We are drawing the bark of the tree. Okay? Chalo. Now the bark of the tree is thicker towards the end and thin towards the top. So maintain that. Now just extend a little on the lower end, make it a little thick till here. Now you can make a thick line and then again narrow branch. Now just may add 2-3 lines, not very thick. Now with this dark brown, go over it. Go on all the branches. Now you really have to go fast here, because if you go slow, then the effect what we are going to show later will not come. Now we'll take a fork, and with the help of the fork we will create some design. You can go zip zap like this. Now if something like this happens, where you feel that your design has got a little spoiled, you can repaint it. And here, this area has also got dry. We repaint this hole from the top. Okay?
Okay.
Now you can quickly add your grass. You can use all the shades of greens and you go from down to up. Yeah. Go on doing, just make standing lines. Take all the shades of greens and just go on making standing lines. Don't go very high on the tree. When you're doing finger painting, you should always go faster. Now we'll add a bird.
Yes.
What all colors you want to add for your bird?
Purple, orange, and pink.
So we are going to make a big circle here for the face, and then we are going to make the body like this. Okay, and then you can add the feathers here behind. Okay, directly with finger you can do dabbing for the body. Okay, and you can take 2 colors and blend. So make a circle with dab. Always quickly dab when you are finger painting. Now make the body. You can make the bird colorful. You can add whichever shades you want wherever. We'll add the tail behind.
Yes.
Which color do you want to take?
Purple.
So you can make lines here. Now we'll add the legs.
Yes.
You can take the legs, orange or yellow or whichever you like, and you just need to make 2 lines like this. Yeah, and one more, yes. Make this a little fat. Now we'll add a few leaves. So you can take the shades of greens and yellows and add leaves. You can just press your finger and just make leaves like this. You can go on doing. You can take all different shades. You can mix shades inside each other. Don't dab take the yellow along with the green and just make a stroke like this. Now we'll add some flowers.
Yes.
To your, you can add them here to your grass also, and you can add a few flowers here also. But make sure that when you are adding it to a branch, it should not look too much hodgepodge. Okay. So when you are adding here, make very small dots. And if you cannot do dots, then you use a eardrum. Now we'll add some flowers for your grass.
Yes.
Huh? So which colors do you want to add?
Red and orange.
Okay. So now what you'll have to do is, you'll have to take red and you'll have to quickly dab, and on that you have to dab orange. But make sure your dabbing is fast. When you dab fast, you get a very nice effect. You get a very realistic effect. That's it. Super. You can add a little more red, and flowers can go a little up down also. Need not be in one line. Now we need to draw a beak,
Yes.
and then we forgot one more thing.
Eyes.
Eye. Yes. So for the beak, we'll take which color?
Orange.
Okay. So you can again take a earbud, dip inside the orange, and you just need to make a line coming outside. Okay, that's a real long beak. Can we make it a little fat towards the mouth? And now we'll do the
Eyes.
eye. So you want to add anything else? Done?
Yes, done.
So what did you learn in this painting?
Texture.